Maitake mushrooms have a long history of use for their immune-enhancing and health-promoting properties. Research now supports these traditional uses, particularly for immune support, blood sugar regulation, cardiovascular health, and anti-inflammatory effects. Let's discuss. Maitake mushrooms, scientifically named Grifola frondosa, are also called hen of the woods, king of mushrooms, and cloud mushroom. They typically grow in overlapping clusters of fan-shaped caps. The caps are usually brownish-gray with white undersides and can grow quite large, sometimes reaching several pounds weight. Maitake mushrooms are native to Japan, North America, and Europe, where they grow at the base of oak, elm, and other hardwood trees. They are typically found in temperate forests, particularly in late summer and early autumn. Maitake mushrooms contain several bioactive compounds, including beta-glucans and other polysaccharides with immune-enhancing properties. Maitake diffraction, or MDF, has been a primary compound involved in significant immunity and DNA studies. They also contain grifolan, sterols such as ergosterol, and various phenolic compounds with antioxidant properties. Maitake mushrooms have been used in traditional medicine systems, particularly in Japanese medicine, where maitake is translated to dancing mushroom. In Japan, it has been used to boost the immune system, regulate blood sugar levels, and support overall health. In traditional Chinese medicine, maitake has been used similarly for its immune-modulating and health-promoting properties. Research has indicated several potential health benefits of maitake mushrooms. Maitake mushrooms enhance immune function by stimulating various immune cells, including macrophages and natural killer cells. Compounds like grifolan and beta-glucans have shown potential anti-immunogenic effects. Maitake mushrooms help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing insulin resistance. Some studies suggest that maitake can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Maitake mushrooms have significant anti-inflammatory properties which can help reduce inflammation and support overall health. Maitake extract has been investigated for its potential to aid in weight management by promoting satiety and fat metabolism. Many studies have confirmed these health benefits of maitake, including human clinical studies. A 2023 review of clinical research from Italy's University of Insubria found that maitake significantly boosted immunity. A 2020 study from the University of Oslo found that maitake mushrooms was able to reduce mutagenic development. In a clinical trial of 34 postmenopausal patients following conventional treatment, maitake liquid extract significantly boosted their immune function. A 2015 study from New York's Memorial Sloan Kettering Center tested 21 patients with myelodysplastic syndromes. After being given a maitake supplement every day for 12 weeks, the patient's test results showed significant symptom reduction. A 2010 study from Japan tested 26 women with polycystic ovary syndrome, or PCOS, who failed clomiphene citrate therapy. They found that maitake extract significantly boosted their ovulation. Maitake mushrooms are easy to consume in liquid extract form, dehydrated powders, and capsules. Dosage recommendations depend upon the format and concentration. You can also eat maitake mushrooms raw. Just be careful about foraging, as it is easy to misidentify a mushroom in the wild. Thanks for watching and take care of yourself.